One of our patio windows is now misted up and needs replacing. The right-hand window is the fixed one and the left-hand window is the one that slides. So this job will be a little bit more complicated because I've got to remove the left-hand window in order to get access to the right-hand one. I've done a separate video to show how to remove the sliding patio door, and I've put the card just above for that. Now, to get access to the double glazed unit to measure it, the easiest approach is to start with the largest, most accessible glazing beading. In this case, it's the one on the right. You put the palette knife or similar into the crack in the bead and gently pry it open. Once you've opened it up, you can get hold of it and pull it off. As you remove the beads, place them in an order that will allow you to reassemble them in the correct place because they've all been cut exactly to size. The top bead is the last one to remove because it holds the double glazed unit in place, and this is a heavy old unit of 30 or 40 kilograms, so it's important when you remove the last bead at the top to keep your hand on the window to keep it in place. Now you can allow it to come back from the frame slightly and measure its width. Now that you've measured the glass, carefully check the way that the silver spacer aligns with the external seal on the glass. You can see this one's quite nice. It protrudes by about 5 millimeters on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side, if we have a look, actually it protrudes a lot further. So I've decided to adjust the width of the glass, the new glass, by 5 millimeters. And here's the new piece of glass ready to go in, and that's where it's intended to go. So repeat the process of removing the glazing beads. Remember to remove the top one last for health and safety purposes, and remember to place the beads in the manner that you take them off so that you can put them back on in the same position as they're cut accurately for that. Once you have the new double glazed unit in place in the frame, carefully check the orientation of the left and right hand seals. Adjust the position of the glass so that it's symmetrical on the external seals. Replace all the glazing beads starting with the top one. If this glass was going into a sliding door, you'd need to make sure that you had spacers on the side as well as at the bottom. In addition, you want to silicone those spacers on the side in place because when the door is closed, the movement can cause the glass to move. And here's the new double glazed unit installed. You can see the silver spacer is nicely aligned with the external window seal on the left hand side, and you can see that it's symmetrical with the one on the right hand side. So it's worth taking that 5 millimeters off the width of the unit. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please press the like button, and as always, comments are much appreciated.